Welcome back to Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and log into SideQuest using the SDQ.st/link process. So let's begin. Step 1. Install SideQuest on your computer. First, open your browser and go to sidequestvr.com/download. Here, download the installer that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 2. Enable developer mode on your Meta Quest headset. Now, open the Meta app on your smartphone. Tap on Devices, then select your headset. Next, go to developer mode and simply toggle it on. This will allow your headset to connect and install apps like SideQuest. Step 3. Connect your headset to your computer. Use a USB-C cable to connect your Meta Quest headset to your computer. Once connected, put on your headset, you'll see a pop-up asking for USB debugging and data access permissions. Select Allow for both options. Step 4. Install SideQuest on your headset. Now go back to your computer and open the SideQuest application. At the top left corner, you'll see a dot. If it turns green, it means your headset is successfully connected. Next, click on Install SideQuest in your headset within the app. Once installation is done, you can disconnect your headset from the computer. Step 5. Launch and link SideQuest. Put on your headset again and go to Apps. From the drop-down menu, select Unknown Sources. Launch the SideQuest app, and a 6-digit code will appear on your screen. Now, on your computer or smartphone, open your browser and go to https://sdq.st/link. Enter that 6-digit code to link your SideQuest account with your headset. After completing these steps, your SideQuest account will be linked to your Meta Quest headset, allowing you to browse, download, and install VR content directly from the SideQuest app on your device. If you face any issues, you can visit the SideQuest setup guide at sidequestvr.com/download for troubleshooting. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.